Hey guys, this is Yvonne. The Galaxy Fit has a 0.95-inch full-color AMOLED display and it's only 23 grams, so it's super duper light. It has Bluetooth 5.0, it has a heart rate sensor that can track your heart rate 24/7, a gyro sensor and an accelerometer. And if you notice the design, there's a bump at the bottom so that your heart rate tracking can be much faster. Moving on, there's also a water resistant of 5 ATM, so you can actually swim with this, shower with this, it'll be fine. The Galaxy Fit has a side button where you can press once to go back to the previous screen, hold for 1 second to go to the workout screen, and hold for long to power on or off this device. You can also swipe right to get your notification, swipe left to get your heart rate, calories burned, step count, whatsoever, and swipe down for you to go to the settings, which is like the brightness or do not disturb mode. So the Galaxy Fit has two apps that you'll need to download. One is called the Galaxy Wearable and one is called Samsung Health. Galaxy Wearable is like a settings app where you can choose from 22 watch faces and 12 widgets to be put in your fitness tracker. Samsung Health contains all your health data and it has over 90 exercises that you can pick on. You can also track up to 6 exercises automatically. Plus, it's better than Fit E because it has sleep tracking that goes 4 stages. Fit E only has 3, which is restless, light and motionless. The Galaxy Fit has a 120 mAh battery and it can be charged magnetically with the charger. It can last up to 7 to 8 days according to Samsung, but Fit E can only last me almost 2 to 3 days, even though Samsung said it's supposed to last 6 to 7 days, so I'm assuming the Galaxy Fit will be about the same, so about 4 to 5 days. So that's it about the Galaxy Fit. It costs 369 ringgit. If you're interested to purchase it, we'll leave it in the link down below. Remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!